This is a quick tutorial to introduce you to MuleSoft. I fully believe MuleSoft is a leading platform for APIs and creating integrations. As it states here on its own site, it's the number one platform for integrations, APIs, and automation. I've been working with MuleSoft for about 3 years now, and it's a fast enabler for creating integrations and unlocking foundational assets for your organization to be able to have building blocks to use to create systems for the future. For you developers or aspiring developers out there, take a look on the job boards. You'll see MuleSoft is in high demand, and MuleSoft certified developers are in high demand. This series of tutorials will introduce you to MuleSoft and get you started, enabling you to create integrations as quickly as possible. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to go out and start a free trial. And this starting of a free trial, you're going to sign up for an account. And when you sign up for an account, you're going to get access to Cloud Hub, where you'll be able to deploy your integrations for a period of, I believe it's 30 days, and you'll be able to test out, and you'll be able to use this as your way to learn the MuleSoft platform. To save time, in another tab here, I've already done the sign up, filled out the form to accept and create an account. Once I've done this, I won't do the enablement of multi-factor authentication. I've now got access here to the AnyPoint platform. Okay, in the AnyPoint platform, there's various tools. We're going to cover these in future tutorials. But what we're going to do is today, we're just going to get AnyPoint Studio. AnyPoint Studio is the development IDE, the integrated development environment for building APIs with MuleSoft. It's built on Eclipse. We're going to download that. And again, this is going to indicate it's a 30-day trial. Really, you have more than a 30-day trial to use it. But the 30-day trial aspect is when you sign up for free to the AnyPoint platform area. So you'll choose your operating system. I'm running on Windows, and I'm going to agree. And I'm just for my job title, I'm just going to put in self, and I'm going to click download. And I'm going to get the most current version of AnyPoint Studio being downloaded. This is going to take a little bit of time. It's about 2 gigabytes, as you can see, in total size. So this is where you're going to start. Your first step is to sign up for the AnyPoint platform. Your second step is to sign up for AnyPoint or download AnyPoint Studio. And we're going to end up extracting it, and we're going to end up recommending that you're going to put a shortcut to AnyPoint Studio someplace that you'll easily be able to find it and start out from there. I'm going to end here with this tutorial, and I'm going to pick up with the next one with launching AnyPoint Studio and giving you an overview to get familiar with creating your first API. I hope you enjoyed the starting with MuleSoft tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and put any comments you have below. And you can also reach out and connect with me personally at professorwolfe.com. Thank you.